Hello friends, welcome to the content trip vlog. I'm so excited to be going away to the beach for the weekend. If you guys haven't been following Georgia and I for a while, you may not know that we do these little content trips. But basically, we just go away for a weekend, usually to the Gold Coast, because we find that that has some really great photo opportunities. And we kind of just take hundreds of Instagram photos that we can then use while we're at work, basically. So since neither Georgia or I are full-time content creators, we both have jobs on the side. It's kind of hard to get all of the content that we need to get if we were to just do it throughout our days. Like, I'm at work Monday to Friday, Georgia's usually at work 5 days a week, so trying to get content throughout that can be really hard. So what we do is usually every few months, we actually haven't done it since January, I think we worked out. Usually every few months we'll go and stay away for a few nights at an Airbnb and take a bunch of photos, and it is really fun, but it definitely is almost like a YouTube version of a business trip or an Instagram version of a business trip. If you guys saw my last vlog, you would have seen me packing for it, but yeah, we're just kind of getting ready to leave now. I just finished scheduling my video for this afternoon. It's like 9 AM, so we've had a bit of a slow morning, and we're also meeting our friend Alex for lunch, and we haven't seen her since before all of this corona stuff, so really looking forward to seeing her. Hello! Hello! You excited?
So excited.
So excited. Busy trip away. It's Friday and we'll be coming home Sunday, and this is how much stuff we have. Bags and bags. I just need to fill up my drink bottle before we go. We just made it to the cafe that we're meeting our friend Alex at for lunch. We've honestly just been driving around the coast for a little while, just enjoying it. We love doing that sort of thing.
So long. When did we leave?
We left at like 9:30 or like 9:45 this morning. And it's 12. But yeah, we're gonna go to Bear Boy Espresso, and I'm very excited. I've had coffee here before, but I've never eaten here, so I'm looking forward to it. And just seeing Alex. I missed her so much.
So excited to see Alex.
Yeah. Hello guys, we actually just made it to our Airbnb. It's actually like a little guest house. It's very cute. It's like they've converted the garage of their house into a little like granny flat kind of thing. It's very cute. We're staying around Mermaid Beach because that's where a lot of our content spots are. But yeah, I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour. Also, I totally forgot to vlog with Alex, so we're just really enjoying our conversation. When you haven't seen people in a really long time, you don't think about filming. So basically it's just like this little studio. So everything's in the one room. So we have the bed over here. We have, what the heck is that? We have, wow. Is that like every single, wow. We have a little lounge area here, so the TV and the couch, which also converts into a bed. We have a really cute little kitchenette, so all the necessities along with a little dining set. They even left us cereal, which is so good. And they left us a block of chocolate, which is so nice. Here is the bathroom, which I think is so cute. I love the little floating vanity and all of the like decor, little stick, love it. And the shower and the toilet obviously as well, but so nice.
Made it to the beach to watch the sunset and hang out with my busy.
I gotta air my eyes.
Ah, yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Oh, she's gone.
It is almost pitch black here, which is why the lighting is so bad. Pretty sunset in the back though. But we're heading off to go get some dinner. It feels like it's 8 PM, but it is not even 6 PM yet. Winter, I do not like these early sunsets and late sunrises. No, give me all the sun. Hello. Oh, dang it, he looked away. Hello. 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 Dog. Hello. Hello. Oh. Hello guys, it is now Saturday. This morning we went for a walk along the beach, which was so lovely. We tried to make it for sunrise, but we were a bit too late. But there were so many people out and about. I kind of forgot it was school holidays, even though the only reason I'm on holidays is because it's school holidays. But then we went out to breakfast at Crew, which we've never been to before, but it was amazing. I had the avo toast, and it had so many things on it that I've never had on avo toast before, and I am in love. Like, it had beetroot dust and like pomegranate seeds, which I never thought to put on avo toast, but they were so good, and a bunch of other stuff as well. But we just came home and kind of planned out our morning a little bit. I also put some little false eyelashes on, like individual lashes, so I'm not sure how I feel about them at the moment, but hopefully they look okay in photos. I love just having false lashes on for shoots because they make a huge difference. We have shot at the Gold Coast so many times that we have a lot of locations kind of banked up in our memories so we know where to go, which is great. So we're heading over to the Cool to Be Kind wall and starting off there and kind of making our way around all of the classic GC locations. So take you guys along for the ride. Here we have the Cool to Be Kind wall. The color scheme literally matches your outfit perfectly. There she is. Did you want any photos with the green?
Yeah, I think I might.
Yeah. So yeah, we just took some photos there, but George is going to take a couple in front of the green and then we're done. Next location, this little Aztec wall and all these plants. If you want to come here, it's opposite the Milkman's Daughter. We're now home for a little lunch break, making ourselves some coffee with the Nespresso machine. I don't know if I'm a fan. What are your thoughts?
I mean, it's easy.
I wouldn't say it's that much easier than our one. Your one, sorry.
Don't know.
I think I prefer the one that you have, to be honest. But yeah, interesting to try it out. But basically in the middle of the day, it's a bit too sunny for us to take photos because George and I don't really enjoy taking photos in direct sunlight. So usually we take a lot of photos in the morning and then we take a break over lunch and do all of our editing. And then we do a few more hours in the afternoon and then same thing, have dinner, take a break, edit all those photos. So that's basically what we're doing now. We're in another outfit and we're on to round 2 of shooting for the day. We really aren't feeling it. But we really want to make the most of this content trip. When you pay to stay away, you want to really make the most out of your days. So it's only like, what, 2 p.m., 2:30? So we've still got a few hours left of daylight. Since it's winter, the sun sets really early, so we really have to make the most of it. But we have 3 locations left for the afternoon. Let's do it. We just made it to the Borrowed Nursery, which is like a classic content kind of spot. I will say, if you ever come here, make sure you tag them in your photos if you post them on Instagram, because they kind of get mad at you if you don't. There's like a literal sign outside being like, tag us in your photos. But we'll show you guys inside because it's beautiful inside. George is checking through the photos. Do you approve?
I think so.
That's good. Next location, we are at the Milkman's Daughter. It's actually closed right now, but we just want that little backdrop, so it's actually great that it's closed because we won't get in anyone's way. Perfect. This is my fit. That's George's fit. Both just white tops, blue jeans. Are we wearing the same jeans? Twins.
And our tops are both from Princess Polly.
We are meant to be.
We are.
We just drove to come get an acai bowl, and our favourite acai bowl place is closed. And we also just found out that our favourite Zarafas here is closed, so it's just been disappointment after disappointment today, and I've had enough. What do you mean? Also, it's the best acai. I don't want to film anyone, I'm a bit stressed. But if you ever want to get an acai bowl at Burley, I feel like everyone knows about this place already, but it's very good. Ended up finding an acai place that was open, and now we're sitting by the beach. Hopefully the sun will rise soonish.
Sunset. You're my best view.
Nah. We are now finished shooting for the day and it is time to chill. We'll spend a lot of time editing tonight, but also just probably watch a movie, grab some dinner later, but it's only about 5 p.m. at the moment. But this is also what we have to deal with. There is so much going on here that I need to sort out, so that'll be another thing to do as well. Love that. Oh, lovely. So excited. This is my favorite part. Good morning guys, it is now Sunday. It is just past 7 a.m. and we've gotten ready for the day and cleaned up our Airbnb so we can check out. All the dishes are done, all the linens, whatever, all good. Got to get that good rating on Airbnb, you know. But we're about to head off to one cafe for coffee, then another cafe for breakfast, and then do probably 2 more outfit shoots, and then we'll be heading home. So we'll probably be heading home around 10 a.m. or so, which will be nice because then we'll still have like half a day to unpack and wash our clothes and do all those things before the work week starts. So it's going to be a good day.
Can I just balance? Drop my bag.
Oh, that's okay. We just got to the Paddock Bakery. I feel like everyone in the Gold Coast knows about Paddock Bakery. But if you haven't been yet, I really recommend it. However, it gets so busy here. Like, so busy. So we're here at 7 AM and there's no one here. This is currently the car park. There's, like, this is usually full by, I would say, 8. Would you agree? Usually pretty early. I think it's just because it's really cold today that it's not really full so early, but we're gonna go get some coffee. Oh my gosh. George got us a donut and I'm so excited. Dude, you're joking. It looks so good. It smells incredible. Give us a taste test. Very good. Oh. That is very much adequate. Walk into our next location. We're going to get breakfast from Elk Espresso. I've only ever had coffee from there, but it was really good. And it's usually really busy, so hopefully it'll be good. We're now at Elk. It's super busy, so you probably can't hear me, but here's George. We've got eggs on toast and potato hash. And I just got eggs on toast with a side of avocado as well to make myself some avo toast. Looking good. It is so busy here though. Oh no, it spelled it out the wrong way. She is a beautiful egg though. She is very beautiful to me. Got a second chance. Aha. There you have it, folks. Beauty. We are now home and I am exhausted, but we need to unpack. So I think I'm just gonna put on a YouTube video and unpack, because the longer I leave it, the less I'll want to do it, and I want to do washing and stuff. So let's get this huge suitcase unpacked. Clean again. Looking good. I'm currently in the middle of filming a declutter with me. I have no idea when it's going up, so it may be a few weeks, so that's part of that, so ignore that, but everything else is decluttered. Woohoo! I mean clean. Woohoo! It's been a few hours. I finished unpacking, which you guys saw, put my clothes in the wash, hung them out on the line. I also edited all the photos from the weekend, which is really good because now they're just ready to post, and I condensed them down to between 3 and 6 photos from each location, which is pretty good. So as you can see, I've got 3 from here, 3 from here. I think there's like 6 here, 6 here, 3 with the jacket. As you can see, yeah, just like all edited, ready to go, which makes my life super easy. But we're about to end off our weekend by hanging out with one of our friends from church. We're going to her place to hang out, and then we have our Bible study, and then I'm going to go see Liam for a bit because I haven't seen him this whole weekend. But I'm going to end off this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along and seeing the behind the scenes of all of this like Instagram-y kind of stuff. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I also know that some people really enjoy seeing it, so hopefully it was somewhat entertaining. But I will see you guys in my next vlog very soon. Goodbye.